Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we'll see all the tricks of phylums. So let's begin with the first. First one is Protozoa, and the species that comes under Protozoa are Amoeba, Euglena, Trypanosoma, etc. The trick for the same is T me Protozoa gira. It means T for Trypanosoma and me is different followed by Protozoa gira. ठीक है. So T से Trypanosoma, E से Euglena and A से Amoeba. Let's move on to second trick. अब second trick में क्या है? Porifera. So Porifera is a phylum and the species that comes under are Cycon, Sponge, etc. So let's understand. Trick. Trick is spores. So with the first S, you can either take Cycon or Sponge, and with the second, you can take either Sponge or Cycon. So pore, it gives us about Porifera. Let's come on to the third phylum, that is Coelenterate, and the species that comes under is Hydra, jellyfish, sea anemone, etc. And the trick is कोयल का जलेबी पानी, that is hydra, और समुद्र वाला dance, that is sea वाला song, sorry. So कोयल का जलेबी पानी और समुद्र वाला song. So कोयल is coelenterate and jelly you can correlate with jelly, and pani is hydra or samudra, that is sea wala song. Let's move on to next one, that is platyhelminthes, and the species that comes under are planaria, liverfluke, tapeworm, etc. And the trick is liverfluke and tapeworm are planning on plate. So let's understand. So liverfluke already we have as a name of species, followed by tapeworm another species are planning. Okay, so with this pla, which are the initial words of platyhelminthes, sorry, are the initial words of planaria and plate. So plate is platyhelminthes. So in this way you can remember this trick. Let's move on to next one, Aschelminthes, and the species that comes under these are Ascaris, threadworm, Vocaria, etc. And the trick is ask what. So ask, just if you can change the spelling, you can remember easily. That is WAT. So with ASC, ask, that is Aschelminthes, and what is Vocaria, Ascaris, and threadworm. Let's move on to next one, Annelida, and the species that comes under are earthworm, Nereis, leech, etc. So you can remember with the trick, an earth needs lee, that is shelter. So you can take the help of Annelida, earth, which is earthworm, needs, okay, that is Nereis, and lee contributes to leech. So I hope you're getting the things. Let's move on to the next one, that is Arthropoda, and the species that comes under this are cockroach, prawn, crab, bug, fly, mosquito, bees, etc. So the trick for this is in MPC, commerce, bio and botany are not taught. So MPC means in south to the science stream we call MPC, that is max physics and chemistry, as we call as PCM in north. Okay, so in similar way, thus the trick is in MPC. So what is M? M is mosquito, P is prawn, and C is cockroach. And one more C, it contributes to crab, followed by B, that is bug. And one more B is B. Okay, R. So from this R, you can take only AR or not thought, that is arthropoda. Let's move on to the next one, mollusca. And the species that comes under this are pila, octopus, loligo, squid, etc. So the simple trick is M polis, that is mollusca. M for mollusca, P for pila, O for octopus, L for loligo, and I you can just skip, followed by S for squid. Next is Echinodermata, and the species that comes under this are starfish, sea akin, sea cucumber, brittle stars, etc. So for this, the trick can be starfish और sea cucumber चमकते हुए तारे को देखकर उछले और एक ही गिर पड़े. So starfish directly you can take, sea cucumber चमकते हुए. Okay, it means they are shining. Okay, तारे को देखकर, it means shining at the same time with a brittle shine. Okay, brittle, once again it is a brittle star. Okay, को देखकर उछले, that is you are sea arkin. And ekhi, so ekhi you can remember, you can include to remember this ekhi no dermata and gir pade. Okay, so just try to concentrate on the red markings and they will function as your trick. Okay, and the last one is chordata, and the species are pisces, that is fish, amphibia, that is frog, reptilia, that is all the mm, things that crawl. Okay, all the animals, aves, that are birds, mammalia, birth giving animals. So the trick is paramchor. And how it works, let's understand. So P for pisces, A for amphibia, R for reptilia, A for aves, M for mammalia, and core is, that is chore. So in this way you can remember the trick. So I hope you like this, all the tricks, and if you find any new trick, so please comment in the comment section. So all the best for your exams. Thank you.